Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and don't miss out on this one. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own cheesy stuffed Italian meatball sub. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. Okay, I got me some bread right here from Jimmy John's, right here. Now these like a day old bread. Now, if you do like I do, take you some saran wrap and wrap them up, they'll still be fresh. Okay, I got like 2 or 3 of those. I got some PREGO mini meatball sauce right here. All right. We got some ketchup right here. We got 2 eggs. We got 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. We got some Parmesan cheese right here. We got some provolone sliced cheese right here. We have some Gouda. This is what we're going to stuff it with right here. Some Gouda cheese right here. Our meatballs. We have some COLBY jack cheese right here. We have some mozzarella cheese right here. This is what is it? 2.5 pounds of ground beef, but I'm gonna be using another pack with this, okay? So, but if you want to make yours, you can go with like 2 cloves of garlic or something instead of 3. You know, if you're a garlic lover, then go with it. All right. So this is my ground beef right here. I got another pack that I'm gonna be using. All right, here's some Italian seasoning right here. Guys can see that. Just some Italian seasoning. This right here is some organic no salt seasoning. This pretty much is it tastes just like, to me, Mrs. Dash original. This is some pink sea salt right here. Some red pepper flakes. And we have some black pepper right here. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start getting this stuff together. Go ahead and get my bowl and all that stuff, and we're going to go ahead and put all this stuff together. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and start adding our ingredients. We're going to come with a tablespoon of this organic seasoning right here. Mrs. Dash, if you will. Original Mrs. Dash. This have a whole bunch of different seasoning in it. It don't have no salt or none of that in it, okay? Alright, we're going to come with like a teaspoon of the salt. Alright. Now, red pepper flake, we're going to come with a teaspoon of that. This if you want yours a little spicy. If you don't want no spicy, you can just not use it. Disregard it or whatever. Alright. That's that. Italian seasoning, tablespoon of that. Let me see. There you go. We're going to come with a tablespoon with the black pepper. Just like that, guys. Okay? And I'd like to move it around so it won't be all in one spot. Okay, you can come with your chopped garlic if you have it. I got a garlic smasher right here, so I'm gonna use that. All right, I got some eggs, 2 of those. This is going to make it fluffy. That's all that is going to do. Just like so. Some ketchup. 1/4 cup of that. There should be a 1/4 cup right there. I'm not adding any breadcrumbs or anything else. This is all we're doing. We're just going to get in here and get dirty. All always pick mine up like this because I don't want all my seasoning sitting in one spot. Okay? So then I just mash with my hands. Almost like you're making a meatloaf, guys. You're gonna do this for about good 2-3 minutes. Just get it well incorporated, and I'll be back showing you guys how to make the little meatballs up. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's my little meatballs right here. They ain't little, is they? So anyway, I chopped this cheese up, as you can see right here, to like 19 little square blocks. And all I did, I think I already did that one. Did that one. Okay, this one I have not done. See, all I'm doing is I'm gonna place this cheese in here just like so. Then I'm gonna squeeze it together. Try to make sure it be in the center. Just like so. All you're doing, guys. Nothing hard, nothing difficult. Then you just pat it together and roll it back up. Just like so. Okay? Then I'll do another one for you. Again, the cheese, like that. Close it up. Try to center it. And then just like this, like you make a regular meatball. That's how you make cheesy stuff. Italian meatball subs. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm finally done putting these stuffed meatballs together. Okay, so we just gonna come in here with some this organic seasoning again, lightly sprinkle on there. You don't have to do it, guys. I just like my stuff to be a lot flavorful. All right, put some of that on there. We got some Italian seasoning. You're just gonna drizzle a little of that on there. It's real meatball sub. All right. Now you could put a little garlic on there, but all, like I'm telling you, like all this stuff is in this thing. That's why you can see me putting on onion powder and all that stuff in there. It's all up in this right here. And it's also in that Mrs. Dash original. Okay guys, this is how it looks up close for now. All right. We're gonna pop these bad boys in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam. All we're gonna do with this sauce, we're just gonna warm this sauce up. Pour it in this pot. This do have tiny meatballs in here. Give it a taste. Tastes real good. Just trying to get out some of the sauce in this bottle. Okay, that should be good enough. I don't even really need to do nothing to it. But, you know, I cut back on a lot of acidity. But I'm going to kick mine up a little bit with this red wine vinegar, like 2 or 3 splashes. To make it taste a lot richer. And you can take you like a teaspoon or a tablespoon of butter and put it in here. You don't need nothing else. I'm telling you that Prego is on point. I really didn't even need to put nothing in here, really. Literally didn't. But I will put a little basil in there. Put like a half a teaspoon of basil in here. Like so. And I'm gonna just warm this up, guys, and put a little teaspoon of butter in there, and that's it. And we'll be putting this stuff together with our cheeses and all that stuff and putting it right back in the oven. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. We're gonna start putting these cheesy stuffed meatballs, Italian meatballs together. Alright? So what you want to do here, you want to take your little sauce. Here's my sauce right here, guys. I'll take you some sauce, put it in there. We don't want no dry bread. Just like so. Much much as you want. Just like that, guys. We gotta take our cheese, our provolone cheese. So yeah, we're gonna put this in here. Just like so. Then we get our meatballs. Should be about 3 of them. Like so. Like that, guys. Alright. Now I'm just going to set this to the side so I finish up the rest of these. And then I'm going to show you putting all the other stuff on there. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam. I got all my stuff done right there. Next stage, I'm over here eating. I did have some meatballs left over. Just want to nest some of this sauce on top of the meatball. That. So now we're going to come in here with this mozzarella. Like so. Cheesy stuffed meatball. Italian meatball, I should say, but oh my goodness, it'll make you lose your mind, buddy. One of these will fill you up, I guarantee you that. So whoever you make this for, tell them, say, Dog said, thank you. Alright, that's it on that. Now we're going to come with some of this Parmesan. This just helps it sticks on there a little bit better. And plus it adds a lot of flavor. You can get the shaved one, you can get the shredded one, it doesn't matter. Alright, this is the COLBY jack I just put on there. Apparently my camera had died when I was doing it. Okay guys, so last but not least, we're going to take some parsley just for color. Sprinkle a little bit on there. Alright, we're going to pop this bad boy in the oven for about 10 minutes for all the cheese melt, and then I'll show you the finished product. I'll see. Well, let me show you guys that up close first of all. This tray is heavy. I'm not going to lie to you. So that's how that looks. Okay. So let me go ahead and pop this in the oven, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I'm finally done with this cheesy stuffed Italian meatball. And this how that looks. Cooked it a little bit more than I wanted to, but hey, that's how that looks though. Still gonna be good though, I'll tell you that. Check it out. Anyway guys, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit this bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen. Much love.